My entire career has prepared me for this moment, for this job, for this task, for this opportunity. It was as Greene County prosecutor that I first understood the pain and anguish of crime victims. It was as prosecutor that I worked with the good agents who work for the Attorney General at the Bureau of Criminal Identification and Investigation, BCI&I. They helped us gather evidence that was critical to our case. They analyzed it, and then they testified in court. Later, as state senator, I met with the grandfather of a young boy by the name of Justin Beeson, who had sought me out. A little 7-year-old boy who had been killed while getting off his school bus right in front of his school in Xenia. Because of what that grandfather told me and his anguish, when he told me, you have to do something about it so other parents don't go through this, I wrote, as state senator, Ohio's drunk driving law. I also wrote, as a state senator, a bill that said, Senate Bill 199, that said violent repeat offenders would have to serve longer periods of time in jail. If anyone uses a gun in the commission of a crime, our bill said, they will get extra time. We wrote the bill, it passed, it became law, it made a difference. If I'm elected Attorney General, I'm going to work to keep guns out of the hands of criminals, not law-abiding citizens. As prosecutor, I saw how rough it was for children who are victims of crime to testify in court. And so as a United States Congressman, I smoothed the way to make it easier and less traumatic for these kids to testify. And also in Congress, I helped change the sentencing laws so criminals actually served the time they were given, something that was a novel idea at the time. For 12 years, on the U.S. Senate Judiciary Committee, I continued to work with my prosecutor and law enforcement friends who made sure I understood the importance of good databases for DNA, for ballistics, and fingerprints, so we can catch and convict criminals. I directed millions of dollars back to the Ohio Attorney General to be used at BCI to improve these efforts and catch more criminals. We did it. It worked. The bottom line of this is that I know what must be done, and I will take the lead to get it done.